And unfortunately, welcome back to part 2 of the video. As I was saying about this little piece on the end here, but not on the end, but right there. Maybe that's like a tool to help you remove this force distance layer. I don't know. It would be kind of cool if it was. Kind of like how the actual launcher body from Beyblade Zero-G, or here in America it was called Shogun Steel. Well, there was a tool to help you remove not only the face bolt, but also the performance tip. So, yeah, that would be pretty cool. If that's how it was. So, we're going to load this in white spin. Oh, and by the way, just so if everyone's wondering, can you lock things in? It looks like you could lock something in on here and here on these two sides, but unfortunately, nothing will fit in there. So maybe they are coming out with like a grip handle that would lock in there somehow. I don't know, but forward, yeah, it locks in like that. Backwards, it locks in like this, but unfortunately, when you do it like that, you could only pop it in on the white spin side. As you can see, if we turn it to left spin, it doesn't work because, well, all these launchers were designed for white spin bags, so yeah. So if anyone out there knows how to take this plastic wing off of these dual layer forged discs, let me know in the comment section. That would be a big help. And then we could swap it up and put like 2 in Mangum or 2 in whatever else the other ones are. So that would be really cool. Hopefully, yeah, that would be awesome. And here's a comparison of the original DOOMSCiZOR, of course Hasbro version, and we'll just pop off some parts. So we could kind of go in order of the EVOLUTiON lineup, and then next up is the second version of DOOMSCiZOR. So we'll just pop all those parts off, so that we can kind of see how it evolved. So there, from a weird little face with nothing to somewhat of a skull face with a bit of a scythe and a D to actual full face, whip cage, the real deal, the actual death scythe, reaper scythe, you know. And then here's all the things from forged disc with the 2 layers on it. Was, you know, as a plastic layer, and then the drivers are pretty much the same. So pure coat for original. Let me zoom out a bit here. There we go. Code for the next one, and then again code for this one. So yeah. And let me just kind of pop these back together, and maybe we'll have a good old death battle. So let me just get all these ones popped down here. And this one didn't go on. Yay! That's always fun. So there's how this one looks completed. Which I feel that they kind of cheated on here. Like, I mean, on here it shows that the disc on the bottom is supposed to be blue, and here it's like glacier, clear, translucent white. Even here it's supposed to be a little more blue, which you can actually see it better on here. Yeah, and it's not. We would love it if they actually did it, but Yep, that's just what they decided to do. So let me move those aside. Bam! Pop in the WBBA wiki. Come on. Every time I get it. Bear with me, folks. This is so freaking annoying. Oh my god, that's so annoying. So yeah, all this information, I know it's really blurry on camera. I'm just trying to zoom in and get it perfect, and it's not happening. But I'll just kind of read it off to you. Let you know what's up and stuff. So the energy layer obviously is, you know, the top part that has the gimmick to it. That's, you know, DOOMSCiZOR D3. Force disc is 2 for the metal part of the force disc, and the disc frame, which on the box shows that it's supposed to be this ocean blue kind of teal color, that's actually in reality a glacier translucent white, is called Vortex, and the performance chip is called Hunter. Yay. I'll leave the link to, you know, the WBBA website down below in the description there. But let's zoom out. And we're back to this like yellow color. I don't know why my camera always goes to this like dingy yellow color every time I look stuff up online. I don't know what it is with cameras, but they just are doing it. So yeah. So we're going to launch this one just freely. Let's go. What the heck? Let's start off with the left spin for y'all. And I noticed on left spin, the layout, the little part actually sits upright on left spin. So yeah. And the thing doesn't really want to quit in on a left spin. Huh. Yeah. You're not going to get anything from a left spin. So, right spin. Let's try it. Yeah, right spin. The prongs on the launcher feels really tight on the Beyblade. So, wow. That is pretty good on the launch. Considering that, you know, the first one's bent, so I gotta straighten it out later on. But yeah. So let's pop in some other bays. Let's try the first one. And do a Grim Reaper Bail to the Death type of thing. Okay, doesn't count because it went in the pot and then just spewed all over the place, so yeah, that one doesn't count, unfortunately. Yep. So let's try this again. Now I'm starting to get a little mad here, because things aren't working out. Now we can see if a God Bay is better than a non-God Bay. Okay, first round goes to the God Bay. We can definitely tell that. Let's see it's such an evolution form. Battle. Come on, get in there. There we go. Second one, definitely a little bit better performance as we can see. And then with the God Bay. Looks like the God Bay is going to lose. And just the code settings different, God Bay lost. So I would recommend if you go up against the God version of DOOMSCiZOR, use the second evolution form of DOOMSCiZOR. This one just wins. If you're going up against the first form, probably the second form or even the God form is going to win. So there you go, folks. Now you know. Depending on what bay you go up against, what you should do. Today has been the unboxing review of Hasbro Beyblade Burst Evolution SWiTCH STRiKE DOOMSCiZOR D3 DR32 TA12 Attack Type Bay. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.